Did you know there are over 100 crypto wallets out there with prices ranging from $30 to $1,500? I know it can feel confusing to pick the right one. That's why in this video, I'll share the 5 best hardware wallets for 2025. Wallets that are affordable, secure, support lots of coins, and are made by trusted companies. Whether you're new to crypto or need an upgrade, this list will make it easy. Let's get started. First on the list is the Trezor Model 1, a wallet that's been trusted by crypto users for years. It's super affordable, costing just $50. This wallet supports thousands of cryptocurrencies, so whether you're into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or altcoin, you're covered. It's easy to use with just 2 buttons and a small screen to confirm transactions, making it perfect for beginners. Made by Satoshi Labs, a well-known name in crypto security, the Trezor Model 1 is a great choice if you want something simple, reliable, and budget-friendly. Next is KeepKey, the most affordable wallet on this list, priced at just $30. It supports over 7,000 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it has a large screen that makes it easy to confirm transactions. The design is sleek and it feels great in your hand. KeepKey also integrates with Shapeshift, letting you swap crypto directly from the wallet. It's secure too, with a PIN code and a 12-word recovery phrase to protect your funds. For an easy-to-use and affordable wallet, KeepKey is a solid option. Before we move to the next wallet, I want to let you know we've started our completely free VIP group. In this group, you'll get access to exclusive crypto signals, detailed analysis, insights into my personal portfolio, and much more. To join, all you need to do is register on MargeX, our partner exchange, using the link in the description. Once you've signed up, deposit at least $100 and then contact our team to be added. If you're into futures trading, MargeX is a great platform. It's easy to use, has low trading fees, and is perfect for beginners and experienced traders. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description to join today. Moving back to the topic, third on the list, let's talk about the SafePal S1, priced at $50. If security is your main concern, this wallet is packed with features. It supports over 30,000 cryptocurrencies and works completely offline. No Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or NFC, which means your private keys are super secure. It even has a self-destruct feature that wipes all your data if it detects tampering. SafePal uses QR codes to connect with its app, making it easy and secure to manage your crypto. Backed by Binance Labs, this wallet is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for strong security at an affordable price. Next, we have the Ledger Nano S Plus, priced at $79. This is the upgraded version of the Nano S, and it comes with more memory and a slightly bigger screen, making it easier to use. It supports over 5,500 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and NFT. You can install up to 100 apps at once, so managing multiple coins is simple. Ledger is one of the most trusted brands in crypto security, and the Ledger Live app makes it easy to track all your assets in one place. If you want a secure, modern wallet that supports a lot of coins, the Ledger Nano S Plus is a great choice. Finally, we have the Trezor Model T, priced at $179. It's more expensive, but it's packed with advanced features. The Model T supports over 1,000 cryptocurrencies and comes with a color touchscreen, making it super easy to navigate. You can even enter your PIN and passphrase directly on the device for extra security. Made by Satoshi Labs, the Model T is open source, meaning its code is transparent and trusted by the community. If you want a high-end wallet with advanced features, this is the one to go for. And there you have it, the 5 best hardware wallets for 2025. Whether you're looking for something affordable like KeepKey or premium like the Trezor Model T, there's an option here for everyone. Let me know in the comments which wallet you're going for, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.